Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a quick Maniology haul. This is from a couple different orders. Let's get started. As always, they put in free sticker. So I got the Snell one and I got one that I've never gotten before. Feed your soul with your passion. I ordered 2 polishes, which are actually repeat purchases. I just ran out and needed to repurchase, and that's the Maniology smudge free top coat. This stuff is great if you don't want smudging on your manicure. I love this stuff, it's really great. And the Maniology straight up black, a basic black stamping polish, very opaque, it's pigmented. These work great. Maniology, great stamping polishes. Next up, I got the spring scraper set. I do have a code on Maniology.com for you to get 10% off of your order. It's happily 10. And they come individually wrapped as well. So real quick, for this cute smiley one. And these all have images from plates that I own. Like M437, M439, and M446, I believe. Cute yellow one, and these really cute butterflies. And these are the mini ones, that's why I prefer to use the mini scrapers, so that's why I picked these up. For the plates, I will have close-ups of these, and I will share any manicures that I've created using them. Ones that I referenced that I own already too, I will link those videos in the cards so you can watch the tutorial for the smileys and this wavy design here. I do have that wavy design on my nails today too. I love that one. I did get 3 plates, and the first one I picked up, M446, and it has lots of cutesy images on here. There's hedgehogs and foxes, a little deer, the little butterflies that are on the scraper, and those flowers that are on the scraper. I did do a manicure using the flowers and the bunnies, and I plan on doing more. This plate is super cute. Really cutesy for spring, summer, Easter. The next plate is M026, and this is a daisy downer. This is called M466 is called Meadow Magic. This one is a daisy downer plate, and there's lots of layering, lots of options. I thought this was really cute, and I'll probably use this with the, since my nails are so short, the shrinking stamper. And you got all these different daisies with different stems, tons of faces, all these cute little additional things. You get words, and I like it. There's one that says "not today," and speech bubbles or chat bubbles. Super cute. The final item I picked up is plate M359, and I cannot pronounce the name of this one, but this one also is a layering plate, and each sectioned off little area is a spot. See how they're kind of off? Is a spot where you can layer these stamps together. And I have this really neat idea for a speckled mani using this, and plus you get all these additional little images to layer with the backgrounds. You could use this plate lots of ways. Very versatile, and I can't wait to dive into using this. So that is the last item I picked up from Maniology. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to use Happily10 at checkout for 10% off your order. All kinds of other Maniology links will be in the description box as well as the card, so definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.